Hi there, hola, buenos dias, and thank you for finding me here again at my YouTube channel, Benidorm and Beyond. I produce positive, original and informative videos on a weekly basis about Benidorm, where I live, and the surrounding areas. So if you enjoy this vlog, please consider becoming a subscriber so you'll never miss any of my brand new content as I upload it in the future. Today I'm taking you for a stroll down the sunny and immaculately kept Levante beach promenade. All the footage you will see today is from Thursday, February the 2nd, and I film this scenic walk on a monthly basis, mostly on the 1st of every month, but was unable to this month due to other commitments, to keep a track of the changes over the year. As you can see, the day was bright and sunny with not a cloud in the blue sky. Whilst we have had a bit of a cold spell here of late, daytime temperatures are now reaching as high as 17 degrees again, with the mornings and evenings still much cooler at a relatively chilly 6 or 7 degrees. However, that wasn't stopping many people who were bowling along the prom in t-shirts and polo tops, and I even saw one hardy man decide to go bare-chested. Good luck with that. But many of us are still in light jackets or cardis, waiting for the mercury to hit 20 degrees and beyond. The beach looked pristine, and you could clearly see where it had been ploughed overnight, ready for a brand new day. Although I didn't spot anyone in the Mediterranean Sea itself, a few people were walking along the shoreline, while others exercised or laid out on deck chairs, albeit with a telling windbreak around them, making it feel a bit more like Brighton than Benidorm. The clientele is definitely more mature at this time of year, when thousands of British pensioners head over to the warmer climes to feel some sun on their faces and save on the heating bills back home too, and who can blame them? A glut of mobility scooters were evident to whiz them about all over the resort, whilst others just relaxed on the many benches dotted about and enjoyed chewing the fat with each other. Most of the cafes and bars were at least half full, and there were plenty of offers on food and drink being advertised outside on blackboards, which included cocktails, buckets of beer and set menus for a special price, along with the typical Spanish breakfast of coffee and tostada con tomate, a toasted baguette topped with tomato pulp, olive oil and salt, which, as my regular viewers will know, is my favourite way to start the day. I do in fact have a long-running vlog series reviewing 5 venues I've tried out this yummy breakfast at each month, so why not check it out? It's called the Benidorm Breakfast, the original tostada tour, if you would like to look it up. Several of the bars are being renovated and refitted during these winter months, such as the popular Los Ranchos restaurant halfway along the beachfront, the Café Roman at the very end of the prom at the Rincon de Loix end, and the old Tamboril Cafe Bar somewhere in between the two. The lovely, lively duo at the Cayman Bar were knocking out the tunes as usual, and even attracting some dancers on their spacious sun-trapped terrace. And next door, the colourful Tiki Beach was as busy as ever, with 2 male vocalists entertaining the customers. No doubt these bars will get even busier at the weekend when the crowds descend for a day of partying or two from Friday to Monday, bringing much needed extra revenue to the local businesses. Further along, the Spanish cafe bars and restaurants were doing good business too, with lots of pints being served, as well as coffees and brandies and glasses of chilled wine. And at the Bulldog Beach British Bar, selected cocktails were on offer at just 2 for €10, as well as jugs of sangria for the same price. I really enjoyed my sunny saunter, and it felt very peaceful, pleasantly warm, and with a promise of spring, and dare I even say it summer, in the air. I will now let you sit back, relax and enjoy the wonderful views, and maybe dream of your next holiday to Benidorm, hopefully later on this year. I hope you've enjoyed this bright and breezy early February stroll along the beautiful Playa Levante with me. And if you have, please help me out by watching some of my other great street walks, hotel reviews on some of Benidorm's most popular hotels with a fly-on-the-wall look inside and out, along with countless other videos full of news, updates and other content, and maybe learn something new along the way too. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you out and about next time, maybe along the beachfront filming or enjoying a beer, who knows. And don't forget, if there's anything that you would particularly like to see, just drop me a line in the comments section and I'll see what I can do. That's all for now, so have a good day, afternoon or evening, and I'll catch you again here at Benidorm and Beyond soon. Adios, see you later, and ciao for now. Cheers!
no iba a frío las mesas. No hemos quedado así. Yo me iba a respetar. Nada más que yo. No, la primera vez que lo
Entonces he hablado con José y le he comentado. Además, le he comentado las...
Ja.
Sì, może pięcie na telewizji.
Vamos.